Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. And I'm so really happy to have you on the session. And I'm really proud of you as well. You come to my video to learn about speak in front of camera, speaking out loud, whenever we get on the bus, whenever we using busway as a way to our workplace, whenever we are in our own rooms, whenever we everywhere. So there is no border. Everything, everywhere we can do as a object to learn about English. And I think that's very important for us guys because if we stop to learn about English, if we stop and out of our discipline, so that's the really matter for the growing of our English. But if we move up, we keep going on, whatever we keep going on, and sometimes we face a struggle. Sometimes uh, we deal with a lot of mistake while we talk about grammar, while we talk about our experience. We struggle to speak it out or to explain to someone who better than us in English. But because we choose keep going on, so everything is just fine. So the very matter is when we stop to try. Okay, guys. So that's the starting before we get into the story. Okay. So for today, I would like to tell you guys about my story. So the story, so this is actually a real story. When I was hiking at Gunung Gede, so I went out with my friends, my coworkers. So when was holiday, and yeah, I forgot for the day, but it was holiday. And before before of it, um, we already prepare ourselves. We plan for the trip. We plan uh, for the budget or fee because no one no one free guys. Everything need money. Everything need to be paid. So we prepare ourselves. We prepare for the rent. So especially for me, I don't have anything about hiking. I'm new about hiking. I don't even have a carrier backpack, shoes for hiking, uh, glove, jacket for the hiking, everything. I don't have, guys. I'm really new with this hobby. So as I say before, we plan for the hiking, and uh, I asked my friend for rent if anybody could give me rent for all item. So yeah, I asked someone. I asked my friend who already familiar, who already frequently uh, hiking. Yeah, yeah. Fortunately, he could help me to get to the item, to get to the rent. I was really happy at that time because I I didn't have to purchase it from e-commerce or in the store or anything. Yeah, so I was really happy for that. And after that, yeah, we prepare ourselves, we prepare for the equipment, we prepare carrier, uh, we uh, we get we get everything in the backpack we need, the requirement for the hiking. Wow, I guys, hi, hiking hiking is not easy one, guys. It's not simple one. So complicated. Hiking needed so much equipment. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce all of the item because I'm really not familiar with those things. So for example, carrier, and then sleeping bag, and then glove, and then mask, not for the medical mask, but the mask especially for hiking, and and so on. A lot of things, guys. So I don't really know how to pronounce it for nowadays. I need to learn it again to be able to speak out loud, to describe it out loud to you guys. So yeah, and after that we drove we drove car to the base camp. We drove car to the base camp, and the base camp was really nice. So the base camp was the starting point. We uh, we got a rest over there. We took a rest over there. We took a little nap over there. We took a little uh, calm before before uh, a hard activity, a tough activity. So there's no way was really we was really enjoy or took a nap really serious. I don't know how to pronounce it. We took a nap very deep. Yeah, we took a nap deep. So, and some of my friends hadn't get a nap yet because they couldn't wait for that moment to hike the mountains, to climb the mountain. So I think that was I think it is like the feel when we wait for something to come. So some of my friends hadn't hadn't tried to nap yet. So yeah, I thought they would took a nap with us together, and but I was wrong for that. So yeah, so that's about my friend. So after for a couple of hours we took a nap. So the time has come. So the time has come, and then yeah, the alarm, the alarm. So some of us press some of my friends snooze the buttons from alarm. So it marked that we're going to climb the mountain. So I was really excited for that things to come. Yeah. So okay, at that point we ready for the time. We start from the best game. So best game actually starting point. At the starting point to the okay, continue.